Hi folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel, MyDataVersion. So if you are a fresher and want to come to the field of data analytics, or if you are experienced and want to switch your domain to data analytics, so subscribe to this channel because here we do not bring only job notifications but also enhance your skills. So without wasting more time, let's jump into the job notification. So Wipro is hiring data modeler in the Bangalore location. About job description, the purpose of this role is to design, test, maintain software programs for operating systems or application which need to be deployed at client and ensure it meets 100% quality assurance. So we have that so much long job description. Let me explain you in short. So this job profile is quite interesting because here you have diversity of job. For example, first you will be working as a development. So first of all, you will be understanding the requirement for designing any product or software. You will be investigating the problems in the software development lifecycle. You will be doing RCA, means root cause analysis for the system issues and problem statements. You will be communicating with clients and asking their requirements for the software development. Second, perform coding and ensure optimal software module development. So do not worry while listening the name of coding. They will be providing you training regarding all the stuff. So here you will be modifying software to fix error, improving its performance or upgrade interfaces. Here you will be analyzing the code and ensuring that the code is free error and has no bugs and test failures. Third, status reporting and customer focus on ongoing basis with respect to the project and its execution. So here you will be capturing all the requirements and clarifications from the clients for the better quality work. Consulting with the engineering staff and development team. Document and demonstrate solution by developing documentations, flowcharts, layout, diagram and more. So if you are interested in the job profile and want to work for Wipro, apply for that. And this job vacancy is for fresher and any graduate can apply for that. So like, comment, subscribe for more updates. Thank you.